Hey everyone, welcome back to Our Snazzy Life.
So we're at it again.
Yeah, we are here today. As many of you saw, we opened up a bunch of the hidden Disney pins from Disneyland, and today we have something really exciting we're going to do.
We actually ordered 10 packages. We have half the packages from Disney World, mainly because we have the full price for the Disney World ones. So you can only buy them in park, and we can't go to the parks there. So there was no discount. So they retail for $19.99 there also, like the last ones. And I found a reseller that was willing to sell them for $22. So it was only like $2 more than retail each. So I bought 10, and so we're going to go through those. Yep.
We are going to kind of do the same thing. We're going to get them all prepped. They come inside of the silver pack, and then inside of each silver pack are the 2 black bags. And we're just going to get them prepped. That way we're not fighting with the black bags on camera with you, because nobody wants to watch that. I'm really excited though.
Yeah.
So same setup. They also have 6 sets. And for each set, they have 5 with a chaser. And then they have the super chaser for the headbands.
Yeah. And we did finish the collection. For those of you who watched the other video, we were 3 away. We ended up trading a Hatbox D from last year and a Hatbox Ear from last year for 2 of the chasers that we needed. Mm-hmm. And then we bit the bullet and paid someone for the last one, the Tweedledee and Tweedledum one.
But we did go to a pin event, and so we were kind of able to do basically all of that
all at one time
at the pin event. So,
and then I'll show you down here what we our completed set. And then so far with this set, we have Katie collects Stitch, and I collect Cheshire, and I really like this Haunted Mansion one. So these are from our actual personal collections here. This one is an extra one, and this one. And then these are extras that we've gotten already. And then if you guys saw in the last one, we got the Super Chaser from our Disneyland packs for this one. So we're already a step ahead. We'll go ahead and put the picture down here for this set so you can see. Since there's only 10 bags, that means we're only getting 20 pins, which means we're not going to finish the set.
Nope.
We definitely are hoping for chasers and super chasers if we're going to have duplicates, because those are really good to trade for other chasers, super chasers, or even 2-for-1s on some stuff. Are
there any ones in particular that you really want this set?
I want to get the whole set now, but the Mickey and Minnie D, I like that one a lot.
I like the Epcot Chaser Castle too.
And most of the chasers, the Orange Bird ears and the Figment one, those are cool. But the Cheshire Cat and the Haunted Mansion, which I already had in my set, are ones that the only ones I really want to keep from my personal ones. But for our collection, we want to do all of them.
Thumper's really cute, and the D's. And I don't know why, but I think if we get a Mickey or a Donald, because we had Goofy for the seasons, they have Donald. I think if we get Donald 4th of July, I kind of want to keep him because he's just living his best life in that lawn chair. So.
All right, well, we're going to go ahead and get you guys prepped and ready, and then we'll start opening them up. Hopefully the audio is better this time. We switched it up. I had changed the setting for something else and never changed it back, and that's what messed with our stuff last time. So, all right, well, let's get it ready, and then we'll see you in a second. All right, so we are all set up. I'll show you kind of what it looks like. We've got our ones ready to put out here. We have all these, so they're still in the packages they came in. Mm-hmm. And we'll just grab and show you what we got.
Yep. All right, starting in the bottom corner.
You gonna do the honors first?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's see what you got. Come on, it's Chaser Super Chaser.
It is a Castle A Mickey Castle.
Which one? That's the one we got.
That's the one we have.
So our first one is one we already had. So, and then the one I got out of that bag looks like some ears. Let's hope they are orange. They are. It's the orange bird. It's the orange bird chaser.
Cute.
So we got the first chaser. So now out of that set, we have the chaser and the super chaser. Katie's marking them off here.
I like to.
So, and then that's one down, one super chaser. Chaser. Let's keep that rolling.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with this pack next.
All right.
All right. Let's see. It feels like the 25. Let's hope it's a Figment. Cheshire Cat. So that's one I have that I want to keep for my personal collection anyway. So that works out good.
I kind of peeked at this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one is it?
It's Donald, and he's dressed for Halloween. Look at him. He has a little spider on his hat.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, he is really cute. So Donald is number
5. All right, go ahead and pick the next one.
I'm gonna stick to over here. All right.
This one here.
I'm gonna not peek at this one. All right, ready?
Yep.
Go ahead.
You pick the bag,
Oh.
you put it up. All right, Simba, it looks like.
It is Simba.
All right, and that's one we need. And mine looked like a Donald from the bag, so let's hope it's a Christmas one. And it's Donald, and I cannot tell what it is from there. Valentine's
Day.
All right, so let's see. Valentine's Day is the first Donald.
And Simba is number 4. They're mixing it up with theirs.
Yeah, so I'll show you what we got so far here. This is what our board's looking like, and there's the 2 duplicates we have there. Alright, my turn to pick one.
Yes.
I'm going to go this far one. And let's see. It feels like it's ears. Let's see if it's one we need or another orange bird would be good. It is another orange bird.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. 2 chasers.
So we got 2 chasers. So I'll definitely be able to use this to trade for other ones we need if we need them.
So then when you got orange bird, I got the blue castle.
So let's see if it's a duplicate bag or not.
I have a castle. I don't know what castle yet though.
Let's hope it's Epcot. Which one is it?
It's Sorcerer Mickey. So we got a different castle though.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Sorcerer Mickey.
He's number 5.
Oop. One we needed. So,
Yeah.
Sweet.
All right, I'm gonna go with down here.
Alright, so which ones? We need Genie, Mickey, Minnie, and Epcot, and Figment Chaser. Lots of chasers still to
Yeah.
go, so.
All right, I look like I have a 25-year one.
Alright, mine looks like a Donald. Let's see. Oh, we got a Simba.
Oh. All right, are we gonna get a dupe of that one too?
What was the Simba? Was that the Donald?
I think it was Donald with
Valentine's?
maybe?
Let's see. Yep, it's the same bag. So we got 2 doubles, so traders.
And the thing is, we will be able to find people here at our park that have the Florida ones that we might be able to trade with them as well.
Yeah, and a lot of times the Florida people come here with theirs and trade for the Disneyland ones and stuff too. I'm sure we'll get more packs of those, even though we have the whole set.
Yeah.
It's still good to get for traders and that. So, whose turn is it?
It's your turn.
All right, I'm gonna do this one.
Okay.
All right, so let's get us a chaser here. Upside down. Oop, I think I can already tell by looking at it. It looks like it's the Donald, and it looks like it may be the one we have. It is.
And I have another 25-year.
Yeah, so do you think it's Cheshire again? Let's see. Yep.
Wow, their packs are not as mixed up.
Well, it just depends on how they got them. Like when we bought ours, so we bought them all together, so it was all in a set. So, and that's fine. These will all be chasers or
good
traders. So.
All right, I'm gonna go with this one down here.
All right.
Give me a new one.
All right, that's a double chaser pack. So that's happened in some of them. I've seen they both.
All right, I have a set of ears.
Looks like I have a castle. So.
All right.
All right, that's the Mickey.
Mini.
Oh, mini. What's the Mickey Mouse mini ears? I think the mini ears are in the other set. Yeah, I know. But I think those are the mini ears from Disneyland.
It still said Minnie Mouse.
Right. Okay. So there's the mini ones, and let's hope this is a new castle. Let's hope it's Epcot. No, it's one we got already. It is the Sorcerer Mickey one.
All right. We got a chaser with that one last time, so.
Yep.
This one goes next to Orange Bird.
All right. So we got 3 packs left, and this is where we're turning out.
We've made
have
some
a
progress
lot of
on the
duplicates
ears.
here. Yeah, the ears are.
We do have a lot of duplicates, but.
Yeah, have to do a lot of trading.
Yep.
All right. So let's keep going.
It's up to you.
I'll do this one. It's close.
Okay.
Alright, let's see. This one, I'm not sure of the shape. I think might be a Donald, it may be different. So let's see. Ooh, it's a Donald, and I can't tell which one it is from behind. Oh, it's Easter Donald.
Oh, cute.
So it is a different one. That's the third one.
Okay, I just have to say that you can look at the back of these and, kind of like looking at the back, you can see. I know what this one is already just by the shape. That's what I was trying to explain.
She's smiling, so I hope it's a chaser. This
one is a 25-year one, and
Figment.
It's a Figment chaser.
Awesome.
Yeah, he's super cute.
That one's cool. That would have been a hard one to get to. So.
Yeah. Everybody really loves Figment or hates him.
Yeah. Yeah, Figment, he's one of those. So I'm hoping the most probably... I mean the D, and we haven't gotten 1D, so
we haven't. I still want the Epcot castle.
So the Mickey and Minnie D are the one I'm hoping for the most.
All right, this one feels little. All right, this one is I don't know which way to hold it. Oh, Easter.
Alright, and mine looks like a 25-year. It feels like it could be the Simba again, but maybe it's a different one. Let's see. Oh, good. It's a new one.
Who is it?
Dopey.
Oh, cool.
So, let's see. We have Donald Easter.
So we got Dopey and Donald Easter and Figment.
Got a lot of duplicates, so got a lot of traders.
Mm-hmm.
All right, this is the last pack. Does that mean it's on me?
Yep.
I'll do this one.
I'm really hoping this one is a D, but I don't think it is.
Let's see if we end up with no D's. I can tell by mine it's not a D.
Mine is not a D either.
This was me, so let's hope for Epcot. Oh, it's Haunted Mansion. So it's a new one from this one, which is cool because that's one I wanted to keep for my personal set too.
Yeah.
But that means it's a new one, so hopefully you have something new also.
Nice. All right, and I got... Ooh, Pirate.
Oh, okay.
So I did get a new...
All right. So that is it. So we have a lot of work to do, but we did get one chaser extra to trade, so that'll be good.
Picked up 2 chasers for our set.
So this is what our board looks like. So that whole bottom row is all traders. So hopefully
we didn't get 1 blue or 1 D.
No.
In any of our packs.
So if you remember when we did our last packs, a lot of times the groups we get like one of this set and one of a different one and one and one. It looks like maybe the packs we got, there were no D's and blues. So when those came out, there was more of those together. And
this is just kind of like my sheet that I marked off on. And with this, you can kind of see like what we haven't marked off. So you can see these 2 rows right here, the ones that we didn't get any of. Like James said, though, we do have the Haunted Mansion Castle, and we have the Stitch as well, and I did not mark those off because those were for our personal sets.
Well, we got 2 Haunted Mansions now.
Oh.
You can mark that off.
I can mark that one off.
All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Looks like there's a lot of traction. That last one we don't have a whole lot of viewers, and it looks like that last video, a lot of you joined us. So welcome, and hopefully you like the content. It's supposed to be just doing all the stuff we like to do, but it's turning into a pin trading. So it looks like there's a lot of pin trading stuff.
We do
a lot
like
of
pin
Disney.
trading, though.
Yeah, we do. We'll go and do laps for exercise and pin trading. So we might as well record while we're doing it. But yeah, welcome if you're new, and if you're continued, thanks for keep watching, and I hope you like these, and we'll see you next time
On our snazzy life. Bye, guys.
Deuces.